Go. You say hi.
Hi, I'm Aria. You can do your own channel.
You say welcome to my channel.
Welcome to my channel. You are the one, and I'm opening up Barbies.
Wow.
He's opening and opening and opening.
What kind of Barbie is that?
I don't know. Oh, shut down.
Can you get it?
Of course I. Well, let me see if I can get it. Oh, how do I get it? Oh, it's there. Oh, that's clipped. Mommy, out.
Hey, oh, you sit back and I'll get it out. Here, give me the box. Let me see. So, let me see her name.
Says,
What kind of Barbie is it? Show everybody. Show your channel.
purple.
She has purple what? Purple.
Here.
There you go. Give me the box.
She has purple hair.
So this is number 517.
Look at her cute white boots. That's
Wow.
super duper cool.
Okay, sit back. Sit back. I'll give you the next one.
The next one.
And what kind of Barbie is this? Show them. Show the camera. Look, you got to show them like this. Hold it up.
It's that.
What does she have on? What does she have on her dress?
Pink.
She's got a pink dress on. That's right.
I'm gonna zip it up. Oh. Okay. How does this come on? How does it come on loose now? How does it come on loose now? Oh. There, Mom.
Okay. Here you go. Well, wait. Hold on. One at a time. Show them this one.
Look at her. She has white boots too.
She has white boots too.
And both of them have white boots.
Wow.
They have white boots.
They do have white boots.
You can put them in the bag.
Oh, you can put them in their bag.
Yeah, you can put them in their bag.
And show them this one. Show everybody this one. Oh, boy.
It's gonna be a lot. Oh, it's coming loose now. It's hard for me to pull out.
It's okay. Show everybody what kind of Barbie it is. Yep, hold it up.
It's that black one. She has black hair.
She has brown hair, I think.
She has brown hair.
Okay.
It's
And she's special because she has...
for her and her back.
She's got a special leg. She's got a prosthetic leg. Here you go. You can take her out. Oh, her hair's... Hold on, let me get her hair down, too. Here you go.
Mom, wait, unzip her.
Oh, you gotta unzip her.
He comes out. Thanks, Mom. Oh, her hair doesn't come. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
I can help.
Yeah, see, look, she has a thing on.
Oh, okay. Well, you play with the other ones.
Okay.
Here you go.
Thanks, Mom.
Unbox this one.
Okay. Oh,
Wow.
she's so pretty. This is super sweet.
Oh, that's the wrong one. You gotta switch the boxes.
Oh, that one has the wrong. Oh, it has the wrong way.
You have an unboxing party?
Yeah.
Yeah, Daddy, this is her first unboxing video.
That's pretty cool.
You gotta do it in front of the camera, so scoot over.
Yeah, show them what you're doing.
Yep.
Good
And you're
job.
putting them back in there.
Yeah, I'm putting them back in there.
What's her name gonna be?
I don't know.
Here, scoot more in the middle. I can help you.
It's okay.
You want me to put one in for you?
No.
No? Okay. Because I can help if you want. There it is.
It's right here for you.
Oh, wow. Now they have their own special carrying case.
Yeah, now for her.
Where's her carrying case?
Oh, her earrings.
Show the camera. Look, show the camera right here. Oh. She's got pretty... Scoot over this way. So I can see you.
I put her back.
Oh, okay. You wanted to be on camera too, huh? Well, you're going to put them all back in their box? Okay. Tell everybody what's your new baby sister's name? Ellie.
She's getting a little bit cranky, guys.
She's getting a little bit cranky. It happens. But it's okay. It happens. You fit her in there?
Get it in there.
Wow. So these are all your new Barbie toys. You say thanks, Mama.
Thanks, Mom.
Okay, now show everybody before you leave. Hold up each one. Hold them up. Wow. Show them the next one. Yep. Ooh.
Mom, look, there's some on the back.
That's right. You can collect them all.
Mom, look, there's her.
Yep, there she is. Uh-huh. Show them the next one.
Okay, Mommy.
Show them the last one. Big earrings.
The last one.
All right. Show them. Show them the last one. Hold it up to the camera so they can see it. All right. And say thanks for tuning in.
Thanks for tuning in.
Okay, what do we say at the end?
Subscribe to the bell button. See
Huh?
you next time. Bye.
You got to say it louder. Say it louder. What do you say?
Please subscribe to the bell button. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.